Hi, my name's Ryan and welcome to the Estacada Community Fire Station. Come on in, let's do a fire station tour. And as you can see, and you walk in the fire station, you notice that this looks like our home. We have our chairs, we have rooms, we also have dorms where we sleep. Some may not know, but we stay here for 24 hours. And we have 2 days off and we come back. We're here for a third of our lives. And so we try and make this as comfortable as we can so that we can have home away from home. And as we continue on with the fire station tour, you can see this is the kitchen and the dining room table. This is where we sit and eat and we have fellowship. And you can also see the firefighters, they're cooking dinner right now as we speak. And this coincides great with the fire prevention message for the month, but that's serving up fire safety in the kitchen. And continuing on with the fire safety message, remember to keep combustibles and off the stove and keep it clear.
If you are going to be cooking, make sure you have a lid nearby, so if a fire does start, put a lid on.
Make sure you don't have any loose clothing and have an escape plan in case things get out of control.